I'm pretty sure most of you have seen the Tornado Siren Madness playing cards, but I don't think any of you have seen Tornado Siren Madness Monopoly board game. Now, this game isn't completely finished yet, as I still need to 3D print a couple more game pieces, but I do have most of it done. Like over here we have most of the game pieces. Let me get these out. So we got AWS 612. These up here, so you can actually see them. We got Vortex. An alerter, an SD10. Crap, you can barely see that. You can't see inside there. There we go. And penetrator 10. You can't see inside there. There we go. And yeah, how most Monopoly games have hotels and houses, I made batteries and control boxes. The control boxes are like the hotels, batteries are like the houses, and we got the money in here. ATI for $1, and a Wayland for $5, T128 for $10, 2001 for $20. P50 for, well, $50, SD10 for $100, and Thunderbolt for $500. And the chance cards are Snurby Mart cards, with different scenarios on them. Over here we got the properties that have, you know, the things on the mortgage and all that stuff. So you even got the label control box, mortgage value. The battery's almost dead, so I better hurry up. Let's show you the game board. It's a little crappy. Straighten it out. There we go. Our properties are TSM characters, and each section is a different brand of Tornado Siren. So you got ATI over here, ASC over here, BSP over here, ACA over here, Federal Signal Federal Signal again, Wayland, and ACA again. And instead of past go, it'd be past sound, and it shows Thunderbolt. And we got a place to put the Snurby Mart cards. And it has a nice logo right here. I got my broken solar panel logo there. So yeah, the last few pieces I need to print are the dice, and 3 more, I think, game pieces. I need to print a Model 2, a 2001 DC, and an ATI HPSS 16. And then I'll have all the game pieces. This is Broken Solar Panel signing off.